Go to Gmail in Chrome, then open tab Promotion and delete 10 last email in Promotions. So now it asks me to confirm. So what if AI could manage your emails, organize your files, edit images in Photoshop, and even create specification instead of you? Let's see what AI can actually do. I'm sure this video will be helpful for you. And today we're going to talk about Codex. So what Codex really is? Codex is an AI agent from OpenAI that can do tasks instead of you, not just answer questions. It can work with files, tools, apps on your computer, like to work instead of you, to help you automate repetitive parts of your workflow. So basically, I have Codex on my computer and I have Codex on my laptop. And I have ChatGPT app on my phone. I can go to ChatGPT, go to Codex, and I can manage my laptop and my PC from my phone. So let's start with something what everyone can use, managing emails. Let's try it. So basically, I'm gonna use computer use skill. I don't want to go into details, but it just allows Codex to use your computer. And I'm gonna ask, do you have any unanswered email from yesterday after 3 p.m.? And now you can see the process of thinking. Like, it's very cool. You see, like, if there are any errors, you'll see it. Okay, great. It found an email about new project. Could you please briefly summarize this email for me? Is there any questions which I need to answer? Okay, so please write polite and professional reply and save it as a draft. And regarding questions, I can start next month. And regarding the pricing, write that I need more details, like I need furniture plan, I need elevations. Okay, could you please show the draft of the email here? Okay, now I'm gonna read it. Okay, let's assume that I like everything, and now I can say, please send this email. As you can see, it asks me to allow to send emails. I'm gonna press allow. And that's it, message sent. So it's much easier, like with your phone. I don't know, maybe you're on a lunch, maybe you're watching your favorite movie. Like, it's much easier when you're just talking with Codex, and Codex do all job for you. Also, Codex can edit images directly in Photoshop. Let's see how it works. So basically, I can use my laptop and type everything, but I'm gonna use my favorite method. Please open Adobe Photoshop on my computer and edit image in the folder in my desktop, folder test AI test 149, the image called daily, and could you please open this image and remove the text on the image, the text worth the credits. Use screen, do not use API. I said use screen because I want you to see like the process, how Codex do it, because it can work through API, but in this case, like it will be very fast and you won't see the process. So that's very interesting. AI gonna use AI to delete the text now. So great, it's ready. So now let's create quick mood board. I have these preferences for mood board and I have ready to use prompt. Basically what I want Codex to create mood board in portrait orientation. I have ready to use images and I indicated the address of these images. Also, I have reference for mood board. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, here's the reference. Basically, what I'm asking, I'm telling that I want 3 images of the material on top, and here you can see I didn't name any image like material or wood or anything like that, so it should indicate where material is. I want to Codex position logo in the center, and directly beneath the logo add text concept number 1. Okay, we have everything. Let's see how it works. So here you can see that it identified materials. So 3 materials images should be on the top. So here you can see like the way of thinking of Codex. Okay, I don't know why, but it was so long. When I tested it, it was much quicker. But basically, yeah, let's look at it. Good job in general, but yeah, I would move this definitely. But as you can see, like it all was layers and I can edit it now. I think it's great. So if this was helpful, please press the like button. In a while, I understood why it was so slow. I ran out of credits. As you can see here, you can press File Settings and Usage and Limit. You can see how much credits you have left. I have just standard ChatGPT plan, and basically you have like 5-hour limit and weekly limit for credits. And I'll tell you, this is more than enough. But I somehow managed to run out of credits. So imagine I received an image from designer and now I want to make some remarks. Let's see how well Codex understands me. So I'm gonna use my favorite method. I need to send my remarks to designer. On the image I attached, add notes and arrows in red. Make sure everything is easy to read. The notes are: first, the carpet should be lighter. Second, replace the onyx on the coffee table with a different type of stones. The client prefers using a variety of stones through the interior. Third, let's change the pendant lamp to one which I'll send you. And fourth, please remove flowers on the dining table. They draw too much attention. Let's see what happened. And easy peasy. You can see result right here. Much easier to do it like with your voice than just like type everything. Don't you think so? So I have this prompt like create an Excel file with product specification table, 9 columns, name, picture, room, manufacturer. Actually, like wasn't sure whether it's gonna find right picture on the website because like there are a lot of pictures in the website. I have like this all of these items in my Chrome browser. So I asked to put all these items in Excel file and also leave some columns empty. Let's see what result I've got. In general, it works for 18 minutes. It's a lot, but you don't have to be this 18 minutes in front of your computer, right? Here you can see like the process of work, and in the end we have this file. So in general, naming is correct, and I would say all pictures, almost all pictures are correct, because here image is unavailable, here image is unavailable. But this is correct, this is correct, this one is correct. This is great, I think. Like manufacturer also seems correct. Okay, I added a link, and as I asked, room, size and quantity is empty because I need to fill it out. But in general, this tool is super useful, and I'm sure it's gonna help a lot of people. It's gonna save a lot of time. And if you work, for example, in Notion, not in Excel, you also can ask Codex like to fill specification for you, but just in Notion. It will work in the same way. And important thing to know that when you work with Codex through your phone, your PC or your laptop should be turned on. Personally, for me, this is not a problem because I do rendering and my PC like turned on almost like 24 hours. There are so many ways you can use Codex. Just be creative and think how you can implement it in your work. And remember one very important rule: the clearer and more specific your prompt is, the better the result will be. Explain the task if you were given instruction to a real person who's going to do the work for you. And believe me, Codex can do anything. The main challenge for you is to explain it properly. So in general, if I see that this video collect many views, I'll create another video about Codex, about its interface, about like a lot of stuff about Codex and some another ways how I use it. So if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button, and I'll see you in the next video.